We are the Smarter Business with AI podcast, your go-to source for practical AI applications tailored to small and medium-sized enterprises. Each week, we break down how AI is transforming businesses, from streamlining customer service to optimizing operations, while driving productivity and growth. Hosted by digital experts from New Era AI, we turn complex AI concepts into simple, actionable insights for your business. Whether you're starting your AI journey or looking to scale with cutting-edge technology, the Smarter Business podcast will provide the knowledge and inspiration you need to thrive in our ever-changing market. On today's release, we discuss how artificial intelligence can transform the restaurant industry, covering use cases from enhancing customer service with voice agents to optimizing menu pricing.
Ready for a deep dive?
Always.
We're talking AI.
Of course we are.
But in restaurants specifically, we've got a list of 22 ways AI is already changing how restaurants work and, honestly, how we experience eating out. 22.
It's true. And you know me, I love a good list. And this is fascinating. See, what's so interesting is how fast this tech is becoming, normal, not just a gimmick.
Right. Most people hear AI and think robots, the future, all that. But this is now, so where do we even start?
The big picture. AI could totally reshape restaurants. Everything from how you order to how the food's made to, the business side of things.
Okay. Lots to unpack there. Let's start basic. Chatbots, those things online or when you call to book a table and it's a computer voice.
Exactly. And those are more than just trendy, right? They're solving real problems. Staffing shortages are huge right now, and 247 service. Humans can't do that alone.
Makes sense when you put it like that. It's not just about having the cool new gadget, but what it actually does.
100%. But it's deeper than that. Take online ordering. What makes one good versus, wow, I love this place?
Okay, I'm intrigued.
And the AI behind it. Learning what you like, your diet, maybe even suggesting something you'd never try otherwise. That's next level.
You know what? Some platforms feel like they get me.
Not by accident. They're using your data, past orders, ratings, even what time of day you get certain things to make your experience yours.
So it's like a taste bud concierge. That's AI.
Kind of. But hold on. It's not just online. AI is getting into the kitchen now. Literally.
Okay, now this is where it feels futuristic.
Oh, yeah. But it's happening. This demand forecasting, it analyzes tons of data, old orders, the weather, even local events, to predict how much food a restaurant will need that day.
Wait, so no more waste. That's huge. But for me as a diner, what does that even mean?
Less waste is good for everyone, right? Restaurants order better, less in the trash, good for the planet, good for their costs. And these days, people care about that stuff.
For sure. Sustainability is a big deal now. So if they can do that, and be more efficient, that's smart. What about robot chefs, though? Is that real or just sci-fi?
It's both, honestly. We don't have robots running the whole kitchen yet, but they're here. Chopping veggies, measuring stuff, even flipping burgers. You see it more and more. It's about helping out, not taking over, freeing up the human chefs from the boring stuff so they can actually, be creative. New dishes, making things look amazing. That's what we love, right?
Like giving them an extra pair of hands, but robot hands. Does that mean my food will be exactly the same every time, though?
That's the question.
Yeah.
And sometimes, some fancy places are using robots for super specific things, like that sauce you love. They can make it perfect every single time.
So if I find something I love, it's going to taste the same next time. I can see that, but is that, too perfect?
Good point. Where's the line between always amazing and, a little surprise? It's tricky, but hey, while they're figuring that out, AI is doing more. It's not just cooking. It's like reading our minds about the restaurant itself.
You mean like those online reviews? There's more to it than just stars.
Way more. This AI reads everything, comments, posts, even tweets, and it's not just good or bad, it's way deeper.
Hold on, it reads it all. How does it even do that?
That's the cool part. Natural language processing, they call it NLP. Computers understanding what we say. So it goes through all that text, finds patterns, and tells the restaurant what's up.
So not just IF people liked it, but WAY.
Exactly. Imagine the AI says, hey, your food's a hit, but everyone's complaining service is slow on Fridays. Or they love the new menu, but the lights are too dim.
Data, baby.
No more guessing games. That's amazing. Okay, but how about, in the restaurant? What about those menus? Can AI help with those?
Menus. Oh, you're going to love this. Augmented reality menus. Have you seen these?
AR menus. Is that holograms of my food?
Not yet, though. Who knows, right? But yeah, you point your phone at the menu and boom, a 3D model of your dish pops up.
Whoa, so you see what you're actually getting, not just a picture. Exactly. The size, how it's plated, you can even turn it around, see all sides. And get this, some even show you the nutrition, ingredients, allergy stuff, all right there.
That's huge, especially for people with allergies or if you're just picky like me.
Right. No more guessing games, it's all there. And for the restaurant, they can help anyone, no matter what language they speak, which is huge these days.
It's really amazing. I mean, from simple chatbots to AI that reads our minds and translates languages, it's clear that AI is already changing everything. But where do we go from here? What's next for AI and dining out?
The million-dollar question.
Right.
We've talked about how AI makes things more efficient, personalized, even helps the planet. But like any new tech, we got to ask, what's next?
Like, what should we be thinking about as diners? What's important?
Well, how much AI do we want in our food? Like, recommendations are nice, but do I want it choosing my whole meal?
That's a good point. Is there such a thing as too much AI?
Maybe. And it's bigger than just us, right?
Oh, yeah.
If more AI is in restaurants, what about the people who work there? Jobs, all that.
We haven't even talked about that, but it's really important.
Totally. And how do we make sure it's fair? Good for the business, good for the workers. That's the thing.
Yep.
Right? It's a balance. AI shouldn't replace good service, just make it better, you know?
Yeah. Less of the annoying stuff.
Exactly. Like, I don't need to chat up the waiter, but if I'm out of water, I want them to notice.
It's like noticing without being intrusive.
Yes. And speaking of smooth experiences, AI translation. This one's big.
Okay, I was thinking about this. Like, I love trying new foods, but sometimes the menu, forget it.
I'm with you. But now, picture this. Any restaurant, any language, and you just get it. Menu, ordering, even talking to the staff. All AI.
Especially for travel, that would be huge. No more pointing at pictures, hoping for the best.
Right. And for restaurants, they can serve anyone. No more language barrier. That's huge for business.
It's crazy how far we've come from basic bots to AI that's like reading our food minds, A&D translating, but gotta ask, what's next?
That eyes the question, isn't it? We've seen it do so much already. But always gotta ask, then what?
What should we, like everyday diners, even be thinking about?
Well, how much AI is too much?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, recommend a dish, but do I want it planning my whole meal?
Yeah, is there a point where it's too personalized?
Exactly. And it's not just about the food, right? What about the people working there? If AI takes over, what happens to them?
We haven't even touched on that.
But we have to. It's got to be good for everyone, the business, the workers, finding that balance.
So much to think about. It's not just, ooh, shiny tech, but what it means long term.
100%. So next time you're out, right, look around. Is AI there? How's it working? Is it good AI? Makes you think.
Lots to chew on, literally. Thanks for all this. This was great.
Anytime.
And to everyone listening, thanks for diving deep with us. Until next time, happy eating.
Thanks for checking out the Smarter Business with AI podcast. We hope you found today's episode insightful. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly discussions on how AI is shaping the future of SMEs. New episodes and use cases every Sunday. If you're ready to explore AI solutions for your business, visit us at neweraintelligence.com. See you next time.